In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect email to Freshsales Crm. Connecting your email helps you track conversations in one place, log messages automatically, and keep your sales activity organized without extra copying and pasting. Before you begin, make sure you are signed into Freshsales in your web browser and that you also have access to the email account you want to connect. Start by going to the top right corner of Freshsales. Find your profile picture or the profile icon. Click it to open the menu. From that menu, select Personal Settings. This is where Freshsales keeps your individual preferences, including email options tied to your user account. Once you are in Personal Settings, look for the area related to email. Click the tab labeled Connect Your Email. In some accounts, you may see it listed as Email Settings instead. Either way, this is the section where you connect and manage your inbox integration. Next, you will choose your email provider. For this setup, click the Gmail button. This tells Freshsales you want to connect to Google Mailbox and use Google authorization to link the two services securely. After you click Gmail, you will be prompted to authenticate. Select the Google account you want to connect. If you are signed into multiple Google accounts in your browser, take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct one. Then follow the on-screen prompts to grant Freshsales the requested permissions. These permissions allow Freshsales to access and sync your email so your messages can appear inside the CRM. Read the prompts carefully and continue until the authorization is complete. Finally, you will choose your sync settings. Select Two-Way Sync. This option syncs both received emails and sent emails, which gives you the most complete communication history inside Freshsales. Once you confirm Two-Way Sync, the connection is complete. Give the system a little time to begin syncing, especially if you have a lot of recent email activity. From this point forward, your emails can be tracked more smoothly alongside your leads and deals. That covers everything you need to know.